Hey, hey.
Hi.
Hello.
And you?
Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Welcome to watching us.
Yeah, welcome to our channel, Dee and Dory. We're all about thrifting, and today, thrifting and sewing, that is. And a few other things.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, thrifting anyway is fun.
This is going to be a little fabric haul.
It's going to be a little fabric haul. Thank you, my sister, for filling in the blank that was occurring in my mind.
No problem. That's what sisters are for.
But first, we always start off with our inspirational saying.
Yeah, and this is from John Barrymore. So he was born in 1882. He died in 1942. He was an actor and a bit of an artist.
Yes.
And
he was also Drew Barrymore's grandfather.
Ah, well, how about that? This is what he had to say. Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open.
Ooh.
Ooh.
From unexpected places, unexpected times, time and events that are unforeseen.
That's deep.
Well, that's
Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open.
So you need to be ready to recognize that happiness and joy when it happens.
I like it.
I did too. And so we have happiness in fabric. That's what I do. Unexpected places and times.
Totally. With mine, all mine I got from our Goodwill in the little place that I live does not usually have any fabric.
It doesn't.
It doesn't usually carry fabric. Once in a great while, I'll find one piece. I found 4 pieces.
Woohoo!
And guess what? Each piece was 99 cents, no matter what.
At your Goodwill?
At my Goodwill.
The last time I was at my Goodwill, they were like $7.99.
It was funny when I checked out.
pieces.
When I checked out, the cashier said, "How much are these? Did they mark these?" And she's like, "They're 99 cents." Somebody didn't know what they were doing.
That's probably why.
And I'm like, "Hey, plus I got senior discount, so."
Yeah, well, I don't get senior discount at ours.
Yeah.
But my region
It is, you know,
different.
different regions of Goodwill have different rules, and my bangs are going to drive me crazy. Different rules.
Yeah, they do. We find that every different regions. And
so mine gives me a senior discount.
Mine does not.
In fact, my senior discount is the same as if I've donated to them. They give you a little slip of paper. So now I don't even take the slip of paper because it's the same discount.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So,
yeah. We get no discount for donating. We get no discount for being older. Only if you're in the military. That's it.
Wow.
So anyway, and plus they've gotten extremely expensive.
Yeah, I guess so.
So anyway.
Well, mine was a great deal.
So I go to other Goodwills in other regions.
Right.
Yeah.
That's right.
And plus there's other thrift stores.
And there's other thrift stores.
They're not the only, what is that saying? They're not the only fish in the sea? No, that's not right. There's something else. They're not the only.
They're not the only ones.
Yeah, there you go.
So I'm going to show you my first one.
Oh, yeah, I haven't.
You have not seen these.
No. Oh, wow. That's some nice, is that brown?
Yeah, it's brown and cream.
Nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
And there's only a yard of it.
Oh, so there you go with your tops that you like your patterns.
If you watched our Butterwick release patterns, or our new patterns that we purchased, I bought several 1 yard tops.
Nice.
Patterns, so I can make something out of these.
Nice.
Yeah.
That is really nice fabric.
And it's wide too. It's 60 inch.
Oh, great. So you'll get a top out of that easy.
Yeah. And it's a nice stretch. Has a little stretch to it. Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yes.
I love the feel of that.
Yeah, doesn't it feel nice?
It does.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, it's a 4.
It's a stable knit, don't you
A
think?
2-way.
Two-way.
No. It's 2-way.
Sorry. Unstable me.
It's a 2-way.
2-way.
2-way, 4-way?
2-way.
4-way.
Your turn. Show yours.
Oh, show mine.
Show one of yours.
Mine are not from Goodwill, but they're from another thrift store. So, okay, Nate, let me take this one.
Ooh,
and this
I like
one's
this.
all messed, all in a tiz. And I did get this on senior discount day, so that was $4. And this is an acrylic.
$4, it's probably $3.50.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
It didn't pay much.
Do you know how much this is?
No, I haven't measured them, but there's
Ooh, I
quite
like
a bit.
that.
I think, yeah, there's quite a bit here.
Do you got any idea what you'd make with this? Is this? Yeah, there's quite a bit here.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what you would make out of it?
I think this would make a nice skirt. It would make a nice jacket.
And of course, it would make a nice romper.
It would really
Jumper.
make it, and it would make a nice
Jumper.
dress too. It's just
Yes.
a nice. It's
It's a
just
very nice fabric.
Yeah. So
Yeah. You could even leave this as part of a edging if you wanted to.
yeah. And show
That-
them the
that
colors.
looks fun.
It's got beautiful
I
colors.
did.
It's blue.
While you were talking,
Okay.
I did the.
Okay. Good.
I didn't
Good,
tell them the colors. I just showed them. You can
You
tell
can
them.
see. Yeah. It's very
Go
pretty.
ahead and tell
No,
them.
that's okay. They can see.
Sorry.
So I was happy with this one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Nathan. I got the second one. But anyway. My second one, I'll show you the second one my Nate gave me. I got it on the same day. This was $3. Oh, here's my receipt for these two. So I paid altogether for these two pieces of fabric
$4.75. That's with tax.
That's with the tax.
Oh,
So I saved $2.50 with my senior discount. And this is just a plain.
Is it a wool? No.
I don't know
Ooh.
if this is a wool.
Ooh,
or-
this is nice.
So there's like 1.5 yards here.
Mm-hmm.
1.25 yards.
Yeah.
So, and it's just a
Nice.
plain, it's just a plain, it's smooth, it feels great. Is that a black? I think
Yeah.
it's a black.
It's a black.
It's really, really nice.
I like
But I
it.
got to figure out what it is. I need to do a burn
Mama.
test. It burns like a natural fabric, but there's several different ways you can, as to what kind of natural fabric.
Oh.
So I need to do that. I need to figure it out. I'm afraid to throw it in the laundry. Although I should throw it in the laundry because,
That's how you're going to
That's
take
how
care
I'm
of
gonna
it.
take
Yeah.
care of it.
Just do it in cold water. That's what I do mine.
yeah. So anyway, but I really, really like it.
Yeah,
And it's
very
really,
nice.
it feels wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, you do yours.
Here's another 1 yarder for 99 cents, and it's another knit. And I think it's really, really
Oh, that'd make another nice top.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. And it's got, larger triangles and smaller triangles
Very.
and nice colors. Black.
It's not
and
geographic. It's very. What is that word?
architectural.
No,
New.
never mind.
But I like it.
The brain's not working well today.
Yes. So
It's
That's-
very, very pretty.
that's my other 99-cent piece, and it's
Yeah.
just 1 yard. And they must have gotten it from someplace because they have a little thing on there that says consignee number. So that Goodwill doesn't have consignees. So it came from a consignment shop.
Oh, it did. Somebody donated afterwards.
Yeah. And they were like this. They're around $5. They were marked $5, so they didn't sell, but for 99 cents.
Sold
Sold.
to my sister.
Want to see another one?
Yeah.
This
me
one's
too.
not a knit. This is a cotton, and this is 3 yards.
Oh,
for
this
99
looks like a knit. Oh, it looks, but it is
It
not.
is not. It's a cotton. And then
Wow.
I think this would make a cool dress.
Yes, that herringbone. Yeah.
It's like a herringbone, and it's pink and tan, and it's 3 yards. So I've already washed
How
them.
wide is it?
It's a 44 incher.
Oh, okay.
But I just could picture a dress out of this. As soon as I saw it, I thought, oh, yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, cute
Nice.
dress. 99 cents for 3 yards. That's 33 cents a yard. Just saying.
So I went back to the thrift store on another day,
Oh, wow.
and
oh, this
this
is a
I
wool.
paid a little more. This was $5, $4.99
But
a yard.
look how much you got.
I know. There's a ton in here. Look at this.
Yes.
This is
Doubled.
doubled.
This is
So
doubled.
I've got like 6 yards at least. in
Yeah,
here.
really nice. And it looks like it's 60
Or
wide.
at least 5.
And it's 60 wide, too.
Yeah.
I mean, yes.
And this is a herringbone.
Yeah.
You see that design in there? It's really pretty. And it's nice. I guess you can definitely see. Thank you, Nathan. You can definitely see that I'm thinking fall. They have
Yeah,
these
well,
nice,
fall is here.
like acrylics. I don't know if this is an acrylic or a wool. I will find out, though. I haven't
Oh.
done any testing on this one.
I like it.
But it's really nice. Yeah.
Very nice.
That's really
fabric.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of hesitated, but when I seen how much yardage there was, I'm like, nah, I'm getting it.
Yeah.
So, yay!
So this is my last one, and it was also 99 cents. And this is fun.
Yes, it is fun.
It's fun. So you know what I'm thinking of making out of this if I have enough. There's 2 yards, and it's 62 inches
Oh, it's a
wide.
jersey.
Yeah. 62 inches. It's a knit of some kind.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's 62 inches of it, and there's 2 yards. Now, I had made, at one time, I had made a cute little...
Just wait, we're getting on in Dory's time. Okay, just wait. It's not our turn yet.
I do.
Okay.
I would love to make a knit jumpsuit out of this. You remember the one I made that had the bibs?
Yeah, the pink one.
The pink, it had these colors in it, only it was more like sea, like it had shells from the sea and things like that. But I just think this would make another one that would be really cute.
It would be cute.
If there's not enough to make the overalls that I had made, then I could make a dress out of it easily.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
Very summery. It's pretty.
Very summery. And yeah, it washed up really nice. So
Nice.
those are
yours?
those are mine.
Okay.
You have one more.
Nate? No, I have two more.
Oh,
Nate,
two more.
Go ahead.
Two more.
All right. This is a fabric I got at our Fields fabric store.
Very good.
And because I'm always calling it Fields of Fabric. But anyway, so this was on their clearance table for, I think, $1.97 a yard.
Ooh, it feels good.
And I
Oh,
got
it's a polyester.
it is a polyester, and it's a light polyester. I got 3 yards of it. I think that's what I got.
What are you going to do with it?
I got this specifically to make a lining with.
Oh,
I know
lining.
it's pretty light,
Pretty.
but you know, this is pretty, it is pretty durable. And what it's not going to be like in a heavy coat or anything like
Right.
that.
Right.
But I really, really like this. It's pretty, it's colorful.
Yeah,
So,
I'd like a skirt out of that.
you'd like a skirt out of that. Aha.
Yeah.
So anyway, I got that.
Okay.
And then Nathan, there's one more in that bag.
Ooh.
One more. Let's pull this one out.
Oh, another
Ooh,
pretty
look
one.
at this. And this is the same thing on the clearance table for $1.97.
They both feel nice.
And it's the same thing. It's a polyester, a sheer. And I'm thinking the same thing. It's
Now
some
that
type
would
of
be a
lining.
beautiful lining to me. I really like this for a lining.
Yeah. So
Is that a big flower in it?
it's
Oh.
a big flower.
It's pretty.
It's very pretty. Is that a black background? Yeah, that all the print is on.
Yep. And then it's got the browns and the mustard and the red. And
So, you know, there's a lot of things that could be done with this too, you know.
Yeah.
But I got 3 yards of this too, I think. 3 yards. It seems like there's a lot more than that there,
yeah.
but that's what, let's see. Maybe I got 4 yards of it.
I think you got 3 of everything, but I could
Yeah,
be
I
wrong.
think
It's on the other
so.
side.
3 yards, yeah.
Oh.
3 yards.
3 yards. 3 yards.
But anyway, so this is a more subdued, and this looks more classic to me, more upscale. This looks just kind of like fun and whatever. That's not bad either.
No.
On a black background, all that paintbrushes of colors. The oranges and the reds,
Yeah.
a little bit of greens.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's our fabric haul.
Yeah.
This wasn't a very long video, but
That's okay. They don't all have to be long.
they don't. And this is just a fun short to show you what we found from fabric that doesn't have to be expensive.
Okay.
I mean, if you're going to make a dress, I could make a 2-piece outfit out of this, and this was $5.
Yeah.
I could.
Mm-hmm.
Or a wonderful, nice dress.
Yeah.
Whatever.
It was- So where are you headed?
Oh, headed to the Goodwill here. We're in, where are we? Bowling Green?
Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yay, let's
Yeah.
see what we can find.
All right. This isn't fabric, but of course we do look at other things.
And I'm looking for wallpaper too.
Oh, I got tons in my basement.
I don't want to pay $15 a piece.
I guess so.
First great find of the day. Look at 5 yards of heat and bond. Good for fabric, patches, denim, leather. Yay, it's in the cart.
Found some patterns. Hey.
So, we lost Nathan, but that's all right. He's around.
Don't forget what John Barrymore said. Happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open. So happiness is there all the time. You just got to find it. Yeah.
Yeah, you just
Right?
have to find it, recognize it when it comes through that door, when it sneaks in on you.
Yeah.
So you're ready for it. And Nathan keeps saying, hey, we're going to go goodbye. So have a wonderful week, everybody. And
Hit like, subscribe,
forward.
leave a comment.
Yes, we love hearing from all of you. And any suggestions, let us know.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.